If you're looking for a browser that respects your privacy, you've probably heard of Mozilla Firefox and LibreWolf. Both browsers are built on the same powerful Firefox engine, but they are designed for very different types of users. So in this video, we're going to compare LibreWolf versus Firefox and help you figure out which one is actually the best browser for your needs. If this comparison helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and browser guides. It really helps the channel, and it means you'll never miss a new upload. Let's start with Firefox. Firefox is developed by Mozilla, and it's one of the most trusted and widely used browsers in the world. One of the biggest reasons people choose Firefox is balance. It gives you a strong mix of speed, compatibility, privacy, and convenience, all in one browser. That means you can browse the web smoothly, use most websites without problems, and still get powerful privacy protection features built in. Firefox also has a huge extension library, which is a major advantage if you like customizing your browser. You can add ad blockers, password managers, productivity tools, and all kinds of useful add-ons to make your browsing experience better. On top of that, Firefox Sync is incredibly helpful if you use multiple devices. You can sync your bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, open tabs, and more across your computer, phone, and tablet. Another important point is compatibility. Firefox works well with most websites, including shopping sites, streaming platforms, banking portals, and work tools. That makes it a very practical choice for everyday users who want privacy without constant website issues. Firefox also includes enhanced tracking protection, which blocks many trackers automatically and helps reduce how much of your activity is followed across the web. So even though Firefox is not the most aggressive privacy browser out there, it still provides excellent protection for most people. Now let's move on to LibreWolf. LibreWolf is based on Firefox too, but it takes a very different approach. Instead of focusing on convenience and broad compatibility first, LibreWolf is built for maximum privacy. It removes Mozilla telemetry, disables most forms of data collection, and comes with stronger privacy settings enabled right away. One of the biggest advantages of LibreWolf is that it includes enhanced anti-tracking and anti-fingerprinting protections from the start. It also uses uBlock Origin by default, which helps block ads, trackers, and many unwanted scripts without you needing to install anything extra. For people who are very serious about privacy, that is a huge plus. LibreWolf is ideal if you want a browser that does as little as possible to identify or track you online. It is designed to minimize digital fingerprints and reduce the amount of information websites can gather about your system and browsing behavior. But there is a trade-off. Because LibreWolf is so strict with privacy settings, some websites may not work as smoothly as they do in Firefox. You might run into login issues, broken page elements, or websites that ask you to disable protections before continuing. Also, features like Firefox Sync are not available by default, which means you lose some of the convenience that comes with using Firefox across multiple devices. So when you compare the two side by side, the real question is not just which browser is better overall, but which browser is better for your situation. If you want a browser that is easy to use, compatible with almost every website, supports syncing, and still gives you very strong privacy features, Firefox is the better choice for most people. It is the more balanced browser, and for the average user, that balance matters a lot. But if your number one priority is privacy, and you do not mind giving up some convenience for stronger protection, LibreWolf is the better pick. It is excellent for users who want tighter control, less tracking, and a more hardened browsing experience. So here is the simple verdict. Choose Firefox if you want the best all-round browser, with great privacy, strong extension support, and seamless syncing. Choose LibreWolf if you want the most privacy-focused Firefox-based browser and you're okay with a little extra friction. For most users, I would recommend Firefox because it offers the best balance of performance, privacy, and usability. But for privacy enthusiasts, developers, and advanced users who want to reduce tracking as much as possible, LibreWolf is hard to beat. If you found this browser comparison helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether you use Firefox or LibreWolf. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.